All right, we have some news as far as the murder of Khemka, the businessman in Bihar, is concerned. 5 people have been arrested in connection with this murder. The prime accused goes by the name of Umesh Yadav, is in custody. The man who provided gun for the murder has been shot dead in a police encounter. Accused Raja shot dead in Patna encounter is what we are learning at this point in time. One suspect has been arrested, one shot dead. The man who provided the murder weapon has been killed in an encounter. Khemka was the owner of Magad Hospital, was shot from close range while he was waiting at his society's gate in his car. These were details that we shared with our viewers. There's been some headway as far as the investigations are concerned. One person arrested, one shot dead in a police encounter. Khemka, a businessman from Patna, was shot from close range while he was waiting at his society's gate in his car near the Twin Tower residential complex in Patna. He was declared dead when he was taken to the hospital nearby. One shooter arrested. He's been interrogated is what the cops have said. The incident, which comes just ahead of the assembly elections in Bihar, has snowballed into a big political flashpoint as well, with the opposition citing it as yet another example of sheer lawlessness in the state.
जो मेन शूटर है जो हत्या किए हैं उनकी गिरफ्तारी हुई है और जो आर्म सप्लाई करने वालों में से उनकी वो जब पुलिस पे थे वो फायरिंग कर दिए थे और उसमें पुलिस के द्वारा उनका फायरिंग में डेथ हुआ है।
सर, तो ये जो मेन एक्यूज जो कल आप लोगों ने गिरफ्तार किया, क्या नाम है इनका, कहाँ से गिरफ्तारी हुई है?
उमेश यादव है इनका नाम और इनकी गिरफ्तारी इनके घर के पास से हुई थी वहाँ मालसानी एरिया में। बाकी डिटेल्स हम किसी करेंगे उसमें आपको सारे जो प्रश्न रहेंगे उससे जवाब दे देंगे उसमें।
सर, एक चीज और बता दीजिए, तो क्या उसी की निशानदेही पे आज सुबह आप लोगों ने रेड किया था वहाँ?
इसमें हम लोग कई लोगों पे काम कर रहे थे, जो भी पहले कर रहे हैं उन सब पे काम कर रहे थे, उसी में हम लोग इनपुट मिला था। इसमें इनके द्वारा जो बताया गया था वो भी ये बात है।
तो टोटल अभी तक कितने लोग अरेस्ट हो चुके हैं?
देखिए, अभी 2 अरेस्टिंग है इसमें और बाकी लोगों से पूछताछ चल रही है। अभी 3 और लोग पकड़ाए हैं हथियार के साथ, वो भी है इसमें। ठीक, बाकी अभी और भी लोगों का नाम है। टोटल 5-6, लेकिन दो हैं जो इस मर्डर केस डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्व हैं। 3 लोग हथियार में पकड़ाए हैं आर्म्स में दूसरी जगह पे।
तो एनकाउंटर सर क्या मतलब कि एसटीएफ ने किया था और आप कौन से इसमें?
जिला पुलिस के द्वारा किया गया था।
ईंट भट्ठा है जहां ईंट का निर्माण होता है, तो यहीं पर जो पुलिस है वो पहुंची तो अपराधी छिपे हुए थे और उन अपराधियों ने जो पुलिस है उसको काउंटर किया और नतीजा ये रहा कि यहीं पर फायरिंग हुई। पहले अपराधियों की तरफ से बताया जा रहा है और उसके बाद देखिए सहयोगी नदीम से कहेंगे, देखिए दिखाएं, ये ए बी, ये देखिए ये तमाम निशानदेही जो एसआईटी की टीम ने एनकाउंटर के बाद यहाँ किए हैं। ये ए यहाँ पर एग्जिबिट लगाया गया है और ये बी, और इसी तरह से सी डी ई तमाम जो कह सकते हैं कि एक मार्कर होता है वो यहाँ पर इस वक्त नजर आ रहा है और यहीं पर इस पूरे इलाके को घेरा हुआ है पुलिस ने। यहीं पर वो घटना हुई, यहीं पर एनकाउंटर हुआ। विकास उर्फ राजा यहीं पर मार गिराया गया। ये इलाका है, यहाँ से पुलिस ने सबसे पहले यहाँ से सरेंडर करने के लिए कहा विकास उर्फ राजा को, चूंकि उसको मालूम था कि उमेश ने निशानदेही की थी कि यहीं पर वो लोग हैं। और यहाँ जब पुलिस आई तो फायरिंग सबसे पहले की गई और नतीजा देखिए, यहाँ पर जो अपराधी छिपे हुए थे उनकी तरफ से फायरिंग की गई और उसके बाद जवाबी फायरिंग, और जवाबी फायरिंग में यहीं पर विकास उर्फ राजा जो है वो उसको गोलियां लगी, बाद में वो उसकी मौत हो गई और इस वक्त पटना के एनएमसीएच में उसका पोस्टमार्टम कराया जा रहा है। तो ये अपने आप में एक बड़ी सफलता भी है पटना पुलिस के लिहाज से। लेकिन जो तमाम पटना पुलिस के अधिकारी हैं वो अभी भी छापेमारी में लगे हुए हैं और उनका फोकस इस बात को लेकर के है कि जो अन्य आरोपी हैं वो कैसे गिरफ्त में आए।
Right, I'm going straight across to Rohit for more details on that story this morning. Rohit, 5 people have been arrested. Talk to us about the larger conspiracy here, because in a similar fashion, Khemka's son was also, like you were telling us, had been killed. So is there a larger conspiracy here? Who are these people who've been arrested? Were they hired killers? What more can you tell us?
Well, as far as the investigations are going on, what we know till now is that one of the main accused in this case, the killer, the shooter who was visible on the CCTV, Umesh Yadav, he was arrested yesterday evening by the STF and Patna police, and all night, throughout the night, he was interrogated, and on the basis of the information that the police received from him, there were early morning raids that were carried out in the Patna city area where these criminals were hiding, and there, when the STF and the Patna police team reached there, there was a firing that started from the other side, after which and cross-firing took place, and in this encounter, one of the accused in this case who had supplied a weapon, that pistol to Umesh Yadav, he was gunned down by the Patna police, and the Patna police is about to do a press conference later in the day today to come out with the more details. But I am joined by right now Ajay Alok, the national spokesperson of the BJP. Ajay ji, Tejasvi Yadav, the entire opposition was making a hue and cry about the worsening law and order situation in the state. Where is Sushashan? Where is Nitish Kumar? Now the Patna police has conducted an encounter today. One of the accused has been gunned down.
And who is the shooter? What is the name of the shooter? Please tell your viewers what is the name of the shooter.
Patna SSP has confirmed to us that his name is Umesh Yadav.
Umesh Yadav is the shooter. And who has been encountered today? Vikas Urf Raja. And their links are coming up to an MLC. Who is that MLC? That also Patna police will tell. These all bandwagons, hooligans, who were shouting police prasashan fail hai, ye hai, Nitish Kumar achet avastha mein hai. Now they must be realizing what kind of a state Nitish Kumar is in and what action Patna police is taking. There is a saying, Vinay na mane jaladhi jar gaye 3 din beet, sukopit hue ram tab bhai vin hoye na preet. Patna police and Bihar police knows how to break the backbones of these criminals. We have eradicated organized crime from 2005 to 10. And this was a challenge thrown to Patna police, and within 3 days everything is solved and files are turning up. थोड़ा अस्थिर रहिए, धैर्य रखिए, बहुत सारे नाम आए, अभी तो शुरू हुआ है.
But it's not only the case of Gopal Khemka. In the last 48 to 72 hours, several cases of murder have taken place. Violent clashes during Muharram has taken place.
See, it's a very planned motive during Muharram that communal tension should increase. This was their motive. Almost 40 places. There were hooligans during Tazia Muharram Julus who tried and attacked Hindu community, who attacked temples, and everything was distorted. ये जानबूझ के सुनियोजित करके अव्यवस्था फैलाना चाहते हैं और उस अव्यवस्था का भी ठीकरा हम पे फोड़ेंगे. But the thing is, they better be aware. ये बिहार के जितने क्रिमिनल्स हैं जिनको मोहरा बनाया जा रहा है, उनके लिए चेतावनी है. सुधर जाइए, नहीं तो पुलिस सुधार देगी.
One final question: is this the Yogi model of encounter which is being replicated here in Bihar?
We don't need a Yogi model. Don't forget what was Bihar in 2005, and from 2005 to 10, this Bihar police only eradicated organized crime. 98,000 conviction in those 5 years. That criminals started fleeing Bihar. Now, if they are gaining some strength, this is again a pure warning. Improve yourself or vanish.
Tejasvi Yadav was calling it is not the Jangal Raj but Maha Jangal Raj that has now come in the state.
Tejasvi Yadav, we should speak to his father about Jangal Raj. And he should think about his own mentality, which is Rakshasi mentality. Creating law and order problem, instigating people, and now his people are only coming up. Umesh Yadav, this Yadav, that MLC, who's all. Everything will come out. मैंने कहा ना कि थोड़ा ठहरिए, धैर्य रखिए, सब आएगा.
So that was Ajay Alok clearly hitting out at the opposition and maintains that this is not the Yogi model of encounter but the Bihar model of encounter that has now been displayed by the Patna police, and in this case one of the accused in this case who supplied arms to the prime accused in this case Umesh Yadav has been gunned down in an encounter by the Patna police. Back to you.
Getting in those details as far as the investigations and the political turn, also the mudslinging which has been underway with the opposition accusing the government of lawlessness, being unable to handle the situation in the state of Bihar.